What's up guys, today we have Samsung A30s screen replacement. The screen got broken, so we are going to replace it. Remove SIM card slot. Bring the heat gun and start heat the back glass or the back plastic. I opened this device to replace the screen, so I had to make a full tear down. This will help you for any problem you got. You can heat the screen at 250 Celsius degree for every 30 seconds to heat the adhesive under the plastic cover. Now push out, then put the plastic tool inside it or the playing card. Always and ever, there is no need to rush, just take your time while you are removing the back plastic glass. In this way you can remove the plastic cover. Don't push the plastic tool in the middle, just on the side frame. On the side and the edges, there is one flex cable in the middle. Take your time, there is no need to rush. You can use these plastic cards or you can use playing cards. The one with plastic, not with the carton. So you can remove the adhesive without any problem. And remember, if you think it's hard, you need to heat it so the adhesive can be soft. I didn't speed this up. I wanted from you to see the full operation without any speed, so you can use the right way to remove the back. As I told you, don't push the tool in the middle of the phone, otherwise you can maybe then cut some flex cables. I'm almost done. The back plastic case has been opened. Cut the adhesive. Okay. Now take out all screws. Now you can push the plastic frame from the screen. You can push it using your hand or any plastic tool. Unplug the battery. Remove the main flex cable board. Connected the charging port to the main board. This time is one cable. The other A30 and A20 was having two flex cable, separate flex cable. Okay, now they combined it. Heat the screen at 2050 Celsius degree and remove it with plastic as we did with the frame, with back plastic frame. Some LCD came with frame, screen frame, so no need to remove the LCD like this way. The price is different, that's why. I got the screen assembled with the frame. This circle need a flex cable, is for fingerprint. So when you put your finger, there is a scanner beneath it. It reads your fingerprint. Continue disassemble. Remove the black screw. There is one screw on the board. Remove the antenna cable. Remove the antenna from down from the charging port. Remove fingerprint flex cable. There is 3 screws down, remove them. This is the one who read your fingerprint. Remove the charging board. We have here the audio jack, the microphone, the charging port, and some antenna connecting to the main board. Remove the vibrator. Remove ear speaker. Now at last we need just to remove the battery. I have speed this up a little bit. All you need is to push the battery from one side and then put a plastic tool beneath it, then swipe until you finish. Be careful with the battery. The battery is very dangerous when you deal with it. Don't scratch it, don't hole it, and don't curve it. What is left after removing the battery? This is the full frame. The screen came with this full frame, so you can replace it or you can take my own replace first. This frame came with the screen, is combined together. There is some LCD in the market came without this frame. The price is low. You can choose the one you want. This is the easy one, or you can take the first step I did. But to be honest, to have the full frame, it's really better because the screen came combined with the frame perfect. So if you are going to put some adhesive under it, sometimes it doesn't look very perfect. Okay, now all you have to do is to put all pieces back where they are belongs on their location and test the screen before the full assemble to make sure the screen is working properly before the full assemble, as I said. It's better to test the device. Okay, I'm going to test the device. Star pound 0 star bound. Go to touch and swipe your finger all over the screen to make sure all the dots are working properly. Then you can then make the full assemble. We are great, ready to go, get all screws back, and that's it. If you have any questions, just write it below in the comments. I will answer it as soon as possible. Thank you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. We'll see you in the next video. See ya! like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.